$11 million trading volume to $25 million trading volume. This is an increase, and I'm happy to see that from $11 million trading volume to $25 million trading volume. In fact, Terra Classic base of coin as of today, in terms of at the time of recording this, about 366 billion coins of Terra Classic is being traded today, which is worth over $25 million. Unlike before, Luna dropped up to 140 billion coins. And this is a coin that's been recording trillion, over 1 trillion trading volume in just 24 hours. Today we are just recording 300. At least they even tried, because as of last week it was about 140. That is almost dropping 1,000% from its usual trading volume in a day. You can see that Luna really dropped. A lot of people are no longer pumping trading for the Terra Classic coin, but gradually we have gained 200% more, which is now 366 billion. I hope to more people to join, for more traders to come in, so that we can push it back to 600 to 700 billion coins of Terra Classic that must have traded every 24 hours. Because please use your calculator, yes, or your phone, do the calculation. What is the 1%? Sorry, what is 1.2% of Terra Classic coin that is worth over 700 billion coins? Then calculate the burning rate it is actually going to give us. Even if you want to do 50%, because some of the exchanges are not burning 50%, but let us go for 100%. You now know how much coin Terra Classic could burn in a day with a trillion trading volume. You know how many Terra Classic coin could be destroyed in a day. This is why it is very vital, it is very important for coins to be trading at their apex, for coins to be trading at a very high price, because at a very high price it will definitely bring high burning, it will definitely bring high trading volume, and it will definitely bring much money, much capital, okay? And it will push the coin more further. Right now, even at the time of recording this, I'm happy that Luna is back, and gradually they are going to start pumping back once again. But please remember that, like I said, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on notification, because we have some goodies. We have a lot of good things that will be coming up from this channel. We are planning something bigger on this channel that will help you to get good money. Now, if I'm looking for money to start up a business, you're looking for money to start up something for yourself, or to run a company for yourself, or goods and services, whatever you need the money for, or for medication, or for education, or for traveling, please stay tuned on this channel, because I'll be giving you websites where people will really help you. People will contribute that money for you. It will be sent directly to your bank account, and you are good to go with your dream. So once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below.